This is gonna be my very first quadruple VHS unboxing. So I got these at eBay, and I was actually originally gonna get like this box set of Roger and Adamstein's movies on VHS, like, like in like the all the slip covers are like, I'll say like gold or something, but I didn't felt getting that since I already got the Sound of Music on VHS. So I got like separate like this instead. And the only ones I need to get is Carousel. Same for the DVD. Alright, let's do The King and I. And, oh yeah, I forgot. I think this comes with the music audio cassette, which that's interesting. So, yeah, but here's The King and I. Not to be confused with the 1999 animated version. And let's open this, shall we? Let me try to get this so it'd be easier for me to open. And kind of be a little hard since I only holding one hand because I'm holding my phone. And it's glued together. I don't know how to get this thing out. I don't see no tape at the back, like at the edge. Oh, okay, let me just, there we go. Now that's why I like it. So yeah, here's the tape. Comes with this thing. Yes, I already have Sound of Music, which is, I think it's the 1996 VHS. I already have this, which I already unboxed it. I want this, and yes, I have those three. Anyways, here's the tape. Can't see 30 week of 1994, I think. That's what I think I saw. And maybe I should unbox. I'm not usually gonna open this. I'm just gonna show it. Look at this. It's a audio cassette. Pretty cool. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with it because I don't have like a audio cassette player. But I might gonna keep this because it's something special. Alright, now let's do South Pacific. And I believe this is gonna be a really long unboxing video. If you guys think it is really long, then I apologize for that. Need to get rid of this because the sticky thing. Alright, here's South Pacific. Academy Award winner for Best Sound in 1958. This one I know that Yul Brynner won the Best Actor. That's the only thing I know from 1956. And yeah, even though he passed away a long time ago. Yep, it is really sad. But anyways. Oops, I ripped it, but a little, but it's alright. Here's the tape. Still has the same inserts from The King and I, which I'm not going to show it because I already showed it last time. 30th week of 1994. So then let me try to do something like this. Yeah, like that. And here's the audio cassette, which I'm not usually gonna open this because I don't have a audio cassette player. Next we got Stay Fair, which I do have this on DVD. And, oh, it just came out easily. Nice. Academy Award for Best Song. It might as well be Spring in 1945. And let's show this tape. Yep, same. 49th week of 1994. I can... yeah, I think 1994 because that's what I think. And here's the cassette, audio cassette from the movie Stay Fair. Well, musical as well. And last we got Oklahoma. I have the 2006 or 2005 DVD of Oklahoma. Usually I know there's a 1999 DVD, which is THX certification, which usually I always think I'm trying to take a little break getting a lot of THX certified DVDs, you know what I mean? Okay, here's... This one won the Academy Award in 1955 for Best Scoring of a Musical Picture and Best Sound Recording. Tape. 30th week of 1994. And here's the audio cassette. And yeah, that is it for this first quadruple VHS unboxing. So peace out.